Hi, this is Ken Long from Tortoise Capital Management, evening of August 11th, 2009, with a short reflection on how we trade cows. A cow is one of our favorite stocks in the Dow 30 Industrials. It's big, fat, slow, reliable, steady, has its personality all of its own. It's not a growth stock, it's not a financial one, it's just a bread and butter, great American company with lots of daily dollar volume. And it trades around the market index, going from overbought to oversold. Well, MRK is one of our favorites. So is Alcoa, Coca-Cola, Home Depot, Caterpillar, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, General Electric. Here's one of the reasons why MRK is such a favorite of mine. Talk about an orderly stock. The dotted blue line is the start of the day, and it's dotted, meaning that I'm always interested in it because it's one of the Dow 30. The solid blue line vertical is when I get really interested in stocking it. As you can see, there's the big sell-off from 30.60 down to 30.15, so 45 cents, 1.5% sell-off in the first half of an hour. It finds a support level. I get a little green doji and then a second green candle. I disbelieve it because the market is weak today, so I end up buying at the green line with a manageable stop of about 15 cents. Moved at the yellow line, we move to no lose, an orderly move. It just keeps going to 30.45, and on the selling pressure, we'd go ahead and cash. That's about 1.5 to 2R. It sells off. There's a 50% retracement from this move off the bottom. It finds support. You can see volatility declining in here. Two little dojis in a row. Get a penny above. Buy it with a stop here. It gives us a little short, sharp move. And just as we're moving this thing to no lose, it pulls back and we scratch out on the second trade. No harm, no foul. It finds a support level very close to the previous support level, so nothing to lose. We have some money in the bank from the first trade. Let it fire again. This time we let it get it above the price we cashed before, so we're stalking it through this period of time. Buy it with a stop at the swing low here and the intraday support level here. Move to no lose here. It powers through the previous swing high. That's favorable. Has a nice orderly rollover. It's getting to be late in the afternoon. I'm losing attention and focus. So go ahead and cash at 30.50. And as you can see, this one is in about the 2.5-hour range. And so netting on MRK, anywhere from 3 to 4R today, depending on your management and your fills and the tolerance you have for how tight you want to get that stop. And even on small bullets, with $100 at risk each time, you're talking about anywhere from $300 to $500 net on just trading MRK intraday with no overnight risk on one of the great American companies, and you can see how orderly it trades with tons of volume throughout the day and very tight bid-ask spreads. So that's our discussion on cows and today's trade in MRK. Thanks for your attention.